welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do another vlog. I just finished up work and I'm actually at Whole Foods right now, and I just ran in because I had to exchange toothpaste and because I got the wrong one the other day. And then I also picked up just a nitro cold brew, and then I also got some sushi for lunch. But yeah, I just had work this morning and it's around 12:45 now, and I'm gonna head home and shower and eat lunch, and then I have some plans for this weekend that'll be super fun to vlog. So I'm gonna take you guys along on my weekend, and I'll see you guys when I get home. So I'm back home now and I'm all showered, and I'm going to eat my lunch, and I'm also going to take a little wellness shot that I got from Whole Foods a few days ago. All right, here you go. Whew. Spicy.
Where'd you go?
That was spicy. Okay, now I'm going to eat my lunch and wait for my friends to come pick me up. We made it! Yay! And now we're going to get dinner, and Harry definitely hates us because we're all up in his grill, but it's fine. So, Owen, what would you like to say to everyone?
Save the turtles.
No, I definitely saw it.
Use reusable straws,
one of
not
these,
plastic.
Right? Metal
Yeah,
or
so
glass?
not plastic. One-time plastics are bad. I'm from Vermont. I know these kind of things.
Yes,
Look at
Harry.
these docking skills. You're such a pro. Do you like drive boats for a living or something?
So hard.
He's not amused.
The glow right now is insane. But we docked the boat and we're just chilling here now. The guys just went to go pick up food, and now we're just gonna wait.
We're just ready for dinner at this
I'm
point.
so hungry.
So ready.
Because then we're gonna go swimming later, and I'm so hyped.
Woo! Duxbury. Bam.
I swear to God, every place I go to, there's always a wedding going on. There's a wedding photo shoot going on right now, and I am dying. Well, it's like the actual wedding, but they're taking pictures right now. I love you.
Finally!
Okay.
Thank the Lord.
We got our dinner, finally. We still out here at like literally 9 o'clock at night.
Good morning, everyone. So right now we're on our way to go get Mary Lou's coffee. The boys are back at the house eating breakfast. They're just too slow for us, so we're starting our day off good.
Tried something different today and got the toasted almond, and then Taya just got regular coffee.
Regular iced coffee.
Ooh.
Can't live without it.
We love
Mary Lou's. So we made it to the beach. It's super nice out right now. It's really hot. And I'm gonna try and fix my tan lines from work because they're actually awful. And I'll try and show you guys later if they're fixed. But if not, then you'll see how embarrassing it is to walk around in a two-piece now. Because my whole stomach and back is like white and the rest of my body is like black. So yeah, anyways, I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Wow. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now because it's super windy. But we're just gonna chill here for a little bit, and then I want to get food later because I'm gonna be so hungry. I already am kind of hungry. But yeah, I might go swimming, and I have my GoPro, so I'll get some footage. just gonna relax, enjoy this weekend because I go back to work tomorrow and I go home tonight, so. So we're leaving the beach now and we're gonna go get some lunch. But then
So excited for food.
we're leaving after that though, and I'm really sad. Because I don't want to leave these two or this one. But I'm hungry, so let's go. Forgot to vlog, but we just ate lunch at that place and now we're gonna go explore. Not really sure what we're doing. So sadly we are going home and we're pretty much almost home, but
Yeah,
we left Duxbury and I wanted to end off the video. I really don't know how much footage there is, but
There's like a good at least like 5 minutes,
yeah,
I think.
we'll be fine. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully they'll be in one soon, but I don't know.
I definitely won't be
Nah,
in
I
one
don't
soon.
think so.
She might
I
be
don't
in
like
one
her.
soon.
I just don't like her, so I don't think I'm getting
I'm far away.
He needs to move back to Massachusetts.
Yep.
You really do. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, bye guys.
Bye!